The proposal change begins by closing a gap. Canton plans to bring every synchronizer into a common economic framework, allowing private infrastructure to participate in the same system as the Global Synchronizer. Guys, I believe this is going to get passed, but when it does, can you imagine how many tokens you're going to see burn off? What that means is you're going to be burning tokens just as fast as they can mint them. And that's how you make your money. You're burning them as fast as you can mint them. Now, some of you might question, well, couldn't they just up the minting and kind of balance it out so it doesn't move? That's not going to happen. Right now, that's not on the table. They're going to keep the minting at the rate that it's minting right now, but they're going to increase the burns. That's how you're going to get the price of the token to go up. And as an investor, that's all you can ask for.